I like the birdies.
Hey, do one of you guys want to try to feed Fraser?
He really goes gaga for birdseed. Hello, my name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. Oh, tell us about your furry friend.
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Speak, boy.
Hi there.
The show is really exciting because one of the things that we wanted to accomplish was to bring some of the Pixar characters to life and bring a new, unique take on a bird show. So we really started with a lot of conversation with the actual filmmakers, looking at how to take the characters of Russell and Doug and then bring them into this great bird adventure.
Are you all ready to meet the birds that call this place home? You can do it, Miles. Nice job. Come on, Sonny, you can do it.
Come on, son.
There's good stuff over here. That's nice. So close. Oh, Groucho, she said hello. Can you say hello?
Hello.
That's Victoria. She's an African fish eagle, also known as the voice of Africa.
And watch, she's even bigger when she flies.
Here we go.
Can't you imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
The birds are incredible. They're just like actors. They have to learn their cues. They have to be able to make their moves. And it's been really fun watching the trainers work so closely with them, reinforce those behaviors, and get them to come on and perform.
Chicken birdies. Oh,
The
I love
wilderness
them.
must be explored.